So what is completion score? All right, you can see here that this listing has a completion score of 80, which means Listradom will actually measure your listing based on its seller handbook, run several checks on it, and assign a completion score for you. There are several checks that it does, and each check contributes for your completion of a listing. So let's click on this one. So basic thing here is like, okay, alt text is missing. That is one check. On the top right corner, you can actually see what contributes to this completion score. In this case, it is telling me that my images are missing alt text, and it's also telling me that my title should include primary keywords. Under that, you will see insights where you're like, okay, maybe this listing needs relaunching because this listing is 400 days old and it has 0 views in last 30 days. So there is something wrong with this listing. Maybe it needs refresh, or maybe it needs pausing, or there are some quality issues. Everything is right there on the right side of the screen. Under that, you will also notice there is like basic information about the listing itself, the views, the daily views, the sales, the revenue, conversion rate, and everything has like this question mark next to it, which will explain to you exactly what it is. So in case like conversion rate, number of buyers relative to the number of views, or favorites, like how many people favorited this listing, age of the year, the favorite ratio. It also gives this keyword analysis quadrant, which shows you on a demand and competition where actually all of your tags align. So in this listing, like most of my tags kind of fall in the yellow zone. Some of them are in the red zone, some of them are green, and some of them are orange.